I will follow him wherever he may go. There isn't an ocean too deep, a mountain so high it can keep me away. You will follow him wherever he may go. There isn't an ocean too deep, a mountain so high it can keep us away.
Ha-chee! What happened?
Good evening, I'm Teddy from CTU. There is an outbreak of swine flu in Hong Kong Zoo. 2 pigs have been confirmed to be the cases of swine flu. Meanwhile, the Hong Kong government is tracing the sources. The 2 pigs are now being quarantined.
One day, Big Tiger went to the cage with a little chick having bird flu to visit the pigs.
Terrible swine flu! Wear mask! Wear mask!
Piggies, I understand what you feel. I was quarantined before. You will recover soon if you take Tamifu on regular basis.
Today, I would like to make a special announcement. We have finally discovered a magic cure to swine flu. What's that? Swine flu meets bird flu? All viruses go away. If anybody has got swine flu, don't worry, just make friends with bird flu.
Hooray! No isolation anymore!
I will follow him wherever he may go. There isn't an ocean too deep, a mountain so high it can keep me away.